Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna explain you what is insurance and why you need it. So let's get started. So first we need to understand what actually insurance is. Insurance is a risk transfer mechanism. It is method of shifting the responsibility for losses to specialists called insurance companies who handle the risk by spreading it over a large number of people or firms. Insurance can help you cover the cost of unexpected events such as theft, illness, or property damage. Insurance can also provide your loved ones with financial payment upon your death. So it is important to understand that the primary purpose of insurance is to protect you from unexpected financial loss due to unfortunate event. In case of life insurance, you can purchase products which have a saving options in addition to the protection components. The insurance company pays the predetermined amount to the policy beneficiary in case of death or disability. And if no unfortunate event happens, then at the time of policy maturity, you get the accumulated value of the premium that you had been paying to the life insurance company during the tenure of to the policy, along with the bonus profit in according with the product type and terms of insurance. So that what insurance is. Principles of insurance. Main motive of insurance is cooperation. Insurance is defined as the equitable transfer of risk of loss from one entity to another on the payment of the specified premium. The essential principle of insurance. So the first one is utmost good faith. Both parties should enter into the contract in good faith. Insured should provide all the information that impacts the subject matter, while the insurer should provide all the details regarding the insurance contract. Second one is insurable interest. Insured must have insurable interest in a subject matter. For example, in case of life insurance, spouse and dependents have insurable interest in the life of person insured. Insurable interest must be present both commencement of the policy when any claims are made. So the third and last one is indemnity. It is a security or protection against a loss or other financial burdens for purposes of insurance contracts. This could be viewed as financial compensation sufficient to policy the insured in the same financial position after a loss as he employed immediately before it occurred.